North Idaho weather is relentless. Your home faces heavy snow loads, rapid freeze-thaw cycles, and punishing winds that test every inch of your exterior. When those elements wear down your roof, the financial stakes are high. A full replacement typically costs between $10,000 and $20,000, depending on the size and complexity of your home. Most homeowners start by calling a few contractors, only to find that the bids are all over the map, making it difficult to understand why costs vary so significantly. It's easy to focus on picking a shingle color that matches your siding, but selecting a surface color is only a small part of protecting your investment. A roof in this region must survive specific climate threats: snow, ice, high winds, heavy rain, shaded tree cover, and summer heat. These compound. Summer heat weakens the material, allowing heavy rain to enter, while freeze-thaw cycles and winds tear at vulnerable spots. A complete, weather-resilient architectural roofing system provides the highest level of protection and the best financial return for most North Idaho properties. To find that return, we have to look at how the three most common residential materials compare. This comparison matrix evaluates 3-tab asphalt, architectural asphalt, and metal roofing across cost, wind resistance, curb appeal, and snow shedding. Basic 3-tab shingles are the low-cost baseline. While you save roughly $100 per square upfront, you lose the wind performance needed for our region. Architectural shingles range from $600 to $900 per square. This investment adds a thicker, dimensional layer that improves both curb appeal and wind ratings. Metal roofing requires a significantly higher budget, though it offers the highest performance for shedding heavy snow. For homes in exposed areas like Post Falls, the wind vulnerability of 3-tab shingles makes them a poor long-term choice. Their flat, lightweight design is prone to lifting and blowing off in a storm. On the other end, unless your property faces extreme snow loads or deep woods conditions, the cost of a metal roof is often more than a standard residential neighborhood requires. Architectural asphalt shingles occupy the practical sweet spot, balancing an affordable budget with long-term weather defense. However, even the best material will fail if a contractor cuts corners on the layers underneath. A durable roof functions as a multi-layered assembly, where every hidden component supports the exterior surface. Suspiciously low estimates often mean a contractor is omitting the very layers that ensure the roof lasts its full lifespan. This diagram shows the architecture of a proper installation. From the deck up, you need an ice and water barrier, underlayment, real starter strips, the field shingles, and ridge vents. The perimeter defense begins with starter strips. These are installed at the edges to seal the first row of shingles and prevent wind from getting underneath. If a crew uses cut-up scrap shingles instead of purpose-made starters, the roof edge remains weak, leading to shingle loss during high winds. Moisture defense requires an ice and water shield. This waterproof layer is critical in deep valleys and along the lower eaves. In areas like Sandpoint, where snowmelt refreezes at the eaves, this barrier prevents ice dams from forcing water back under the shingles and into your home. The final layer is climate control. Air must enter through the lower soffits and exhaust through the peak to balance heat and moisture. Unbalanced ventilation traps heat in the attic. This bakes the shingles from the bottom up and allows condensation to build on the wooden deck. This trapped heat accelerates shingle degradation and causes moisture to saturate the wooden deck, which eventually leads to wood rot. Saving a few $100s by skipping these components leads to thousands in premature replacement costs, destroying your overall return on investment. To protect that investment, you need to understand the lifetime manufacturer warranty. This phrase is often used to give homeowners a sense of security that may not actually exist when they need it most. A manufacturer warranty typically only covers factory defects in the physical shingle material. In reality, most early roof failures in North Idaho are the result of installation errors, not manufacturing flaws. As the graphic shows, a factory defect is covered, but if failure is caused by misaligned nails or missing underlayment, the manufacturer voids the claim. This is why a workmanship warranty is essential. It is a guarantee from the contractor that they will stand behind the quality of their labor. Premium shingles only provide genuine protection when they are backed by a robust workmanship warranty. Getting the best value means matching the right material system to your specific home and goals. This decision flowchart outlines 3 paths: solutions for strict budgets, options for extreme snow loads, and the path for long-term value and defense. For outbuildings or short-term repairs on a tight budget, 3-tap shingles are a functional choice. For homeowners facing the highest snow accumulation or those with an unlimited budget, metal roofing is the primary recommendation. But for most residential homes where you plan to live for years, an architectural shingle system offers the best balance of defense and value. To make a final choice, you need a physical on-roof inspection to check your roof pitch, the health of your decking, and your current ventilation. Homeowners in Coeur d'Alene, Post Falls, Sandpoint, Hayden, and the surrounding areas can get a professional evaluation of these details today. Reach out to SkyRight Roofing and Gutters for an accurate, custom estimate for a complete architectural roofing system. In North Idaho, a well-ventilated architectural system is the smartest financial defense you can place over your home.